Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very important and very classy according to the perceptions and with respect to home decor ideas, because in this video I'm sharing very pretty, easy, colorful, designer style granny square pattern, puff flower patterns, simple and easy beginners hand knitted crochet patterns of blankets and bedding sets, in which it includes bed sheets, pillows and cushion covers that are mostly being used onto the bed sets. So friends, before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain updated with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And friends, kindly do support us and help to reach major milestones of YouTube subscribers by sharing our content with massively your friends and family. So if we talk about the content of hand knitting, art of hand knitting, crochet, then it is a very universal and beautiful and easy to make pattern, but it is universally recognized and loved throughout any region of the world. So I have been shared a lot of wide variety of design ideas and fashionable accessories that are made while using knitting, hand knitting, crochet, but in this video I am sharing some sleek, beautiful and very decent and elegantly made designs of crochet blankets and bed sets. While making these crochet bed sets and very beautifully designed crochet blankets, you will feel cozy, amazed and comfortable in your beds, and the beauty and the relaxation of calm and sleep would reach to its maximum when you use these very beautifully made hand knitted crochet items. So friends, not only this, you can get a wide variety of design ideas related to crochet, hand knitting, hand art like hand embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, fabric painting and much more related to the design ideas of home decor, hand art and women fashion, clothing and much more. So stay tuned, stay concerned, keep watching my content on daily basis, keep praising us, keep supporting us, comment below the video to let us know that how you feel about our collection and what you want us to share with you. And friends, kindly do support my other channels as well. If you have any sort of health issues or skincare issues, then subscribe my channel Alnoor Skin and Healthcare, which would appear at the end of this video. And all homemade and very easy, reliable, 100% working organic and herbal tips and treatments have been shared. So go to my channel and get a wide variety of homemade recipes, tricks and remedies, and get benefits at the right time. So thank you so much for watching my content. Hope to see you soon back on my channel in a new content with a new video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.